My name is Nathan Blake. I'm from Michigan, the United States. So I started losing my hair around 21, kind of when I started going out and drinking more and kind of eating, a little more of the fattier foods. I started seeing my hairline recede in the front a bit. Was kind of self-conscious about it. I had a buddy who went to Hair of Istanbul. He had great results, great things to say. So, I started following you guys on Instagram, and then when I felt comfortable after doing a little bit of research, I reached out to you guys on WhatsApp, really had a great explanation about everything that was going to be done, and yeah, that's really, after it was really comforting after talking to you guys, and kind of got the ball rolling from there. You guys really broke down everything. Anytime I had a question, within, I would say 30 minutes, even being on the other side of the country, you guys would answer very fast. Really any kind of concern if I had, you guys would answer and be reassuring. So yeah, it was great. Had a picture for when I was younger, the ideal look before I started receding, and he had drew my hairline on before, and then I showed him that picture, and he redid it for me immediately, made sure I was, everything was okay. I liked it, and yeah, it was very good. Yeah, I think it's going to be a dramatic change, going from that kind of McDonald's look in the front to just kind of that clean-cut, straight line. I think it's going to be a huge change just for my appearance, but my self-confidence, my self-esteem. It's going to be a major change in my life, really. Emotionally and physically, I think it's going to be beneficial for me. The procedure is actually way easier than I thought. My buddy, he told me it was going to be a little painful, so I was like, in my mind, I'm like, oh, okay, I had tattoos and stuff, so I was like, okay, it's going to be painful, kind of expected that. But really after the numbing was a little unpleasant, but nothing too crazy. But after that, it was very smooth. I actually fell asleep for, I think, like 5 or 10 minutes during the process, so it was nothing too bad. Really, if you're thinking about it, really just reach out. You can do your investigating on YouTube, Instagram, and whatnot. But if you want to really take the plunge, just reach out to them. They'll be able to answer any questions you have, kind of walk you through how it's going to be from when you take off to when you land. When you get here, your anxiety is building up a little bit, obviously, just because, you have a surgery or a procedure, but really everything's handled so well. Everything's handled so fluidly. Everything went so smooth. I actually came here and had the procedure on my birthday. They found out it was my birthday, and after my procedure, they surprised me with a birthday cake, which was above and beyond anything I ever expected, and, that was great. I could not recommend this anymore. I mean, I just got the surgery, and I'm already, thrilled about it, so.